When we mix epoxy resin with a hardener, the chemical reaction doesn't occur immediately. The rate at this reaction happens depends on several factors, like the time, the probability of the reactants meeting, and crucially, overcoming the activation energy barrier. The barrier is the amount of energy required to start a reaction. You can think of it like combustion, where a spark or an initial energy source is essential to ignite the fire. In the case of epoxy curing, the energy needed in overcoming this barrier is often provided by increasing the temperature. By raising the temperature, we increase the kinetic energy of the reaction, accelerate their movement, and therefore increases the probability that they will meet and react. Additionally, this extra energy helps to overcome the activation barrier, allowing old bonds to break and new ones to form. While many epoxy resins can cure at room temperature, raising the temperature significantly speeds up the reaction. If we allow an adequate amount of time for the reactants to complete the reaction, the curing will be much more successful and the cured paint will exhibit the best properties.